in which category does these numbers belong to? So now we'll start with number 3. Is number 3 a natural number? If you can remember very well our definition of natural numbers, we have said a natural number is a positive integer. Positive numbers, counting numbers, starting at number 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. Therefore, number 3 can be classified to be under natural numbers. Number 3. And then let's check what's next on the list. We have what? Integers. Integers are all the numbers that appear on the number line, like the negative numbers and the positive numbers. Decimal numbers excluded. If you see negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, those are integers. So number 3 can be found within those numbers. Therefore, number 3 is also an integer, a positive integer. That's number 3. And then now let's check under rational numbers. Is number 3 a rational number? If you can remember very well, the definition of rational numbers, we have said it is a number that can be expressed in a form of a ratio. Now let's check. Let's check. Number 3. Number 3 can be written in a form of 9 over 3. 9 over 3 equals to 3. Therefore, 3 is a rational number. Alright. So then, number 3 is a rational number. Now let's check what's next. Irrational numbers. We have said irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed in a form of a ratio. Therefore, number 3 can be expressed in a form of a ratio. So number 3 is not what? An irrational number. Now we move. Real numbers. If you remember the definition of real numbers, we have said all the numbers that appear on the number line. On the number line. All the numbers that appear on this number line, including the decimal numbers. So, number 3 is a real number. Okay, then let's move to the next one. We have the square root of 25. Let's determine the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So the square root of 25 is number 5. So now let's check. Is number 5, which is the square root of 25, is number 5 a natural number? Yes, number 5 is a natural number because natural numbers are positive integers or positive numbers, counting numbers. Now let's check. Is number 5 an integer? Yes, number 5 is an integer. And now let's check. Is number 5 rational? Yes, number 5 is rational because number 5 can be written in a form of a fraction like 25 over 5 equals to 5. So a 5 is also a rational number. Then irrational number, if it's rational, it can be irrational. Alright. Now we move to real numbers. Number 5 is a real number because it appears on the number line. Okay, let's see the next number. We have what? 22 over 7. Okay, and then first, let's check 22 over 7 in the calculator. Okay, 22 over 7 equals to 3,142. Yes, so 22 over 7 equals to 3,142. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are positive integers. So an integer, it is not a decimal number, and a natural number is not a decimal number. So since this number appears in a decimal form and in a form like this, so 22 over 7 is not a natural number. So we pass. Then we go to integers. Again, this is not an integer. Decimal numbers are not included under integers. They are not classified under integers, so it's not an integer as well. Now let's check rational numbers. Now, we have said a rational number is a number that can be expressed in a form of a fraction or a ratio. So 22/7 is a fraction, is a ratio. Therefore, is a rational number. And now let's see irrational numbers. It cannot be irrational if it's rational. Okay, real numbers, it's real because it can appear on the number line. Yeah, well, real numbers are negative integers and positive integers with decimal numbers included. So this one is a real number. Okay, let's move. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when another video has been uploaded. Thank you guys.